Hey guys, I am excited about this. Picked this up through the Amazon Vine program. This is something I've been wanting to try out for a while. So let's see how it works, and hopefully it won't disappoint. Alright, so we got some kind of a bag thing, some hoses, some more hoses, directions, bag of stuff. Big tube, another tube, this part, and this part. All right, let's put that down there. So what this is going to be is a outdoor sink. This part here you can fill up with water. I believe it's like 5 gallons. So you have a standalone portable sink, which is pretty cool. Now, I was hoping you could hook it to a hose to have, long-term water, but I guess it's got an electric pump on it. All right, let's see what it says to do. So it looks like it takes a 9-volt battery. Got one of those inside. You just work this way into here. Yeah, instructions are worthless. Got a drain plug there. Here. Down through that. And through this guy here. And this is going to go into this hole down there. Screw this on so I'm not twisting the hose. Yeah, I've been wanting something that I can have by my barbecue to rinse things off without having to use the garden hose every time. That's the drain hose. Let's see what we got here. I guess that goes there for soap. Either one of those. This guy, guessing goes there. You can hang a wash rag on that. These are big spikes for it if you want to put it in the ground. It's got a USB, so you can power it via USB or 9-volt. It's filled with water. Grab a 9-volt battery and see how it works. All right, it seems to hold a good bit of water. Plug in the old 9-volt battery. Stuff it up in its home. All right, let's see what happens here. Look at that, folks. It's kind of loud, but it just drains right out under the deck. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Oh yeah, for rinsing stuff off, washing your hands. Yeah, that's perfect. And then just pop that little drain, soap thing right there. Heck yeah, I like it. A storage bag, so if you go camping or whatever, you can break it all down, stick it in here, and bring it with you camping. That's cool. All right, so there it is. There's this little portable, I guess like 5-gallon sink, battery operated, or you can run it off of a USB battery bank. I don't know where you would put it. 9-volt seems to work just fine. I mean, it pumps just fine for what I wanted it for. Just something I could rinse my hands off and things, and clean vegetables and stuff without having to bring the garden hose over here. So there you go. Y'all take care. Thanks for watching.